everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Fernanda. If you don't already know who I am, if you do, happy to have you back here. I am actually coming at you from Los Angeles, California. My view right now is stunning and I'm in this beautiful hotel, but I'm so excited for this video because I'm going to be talking about a new super cool innovative device that my friends over at Kenzzi have developed. We are going to be talking about the Kenzzi multifunctional IPL handset. Kenzzi actually manufacture one of the world's most popular IPL handsets, which is super exciting. If you didn't know, this is a hair removal handset and it actually gives you permanent results, which is super exciting and super cool. IPL actually stands for intense pulse light, which is broad spectrum, so it can treat a wide area much faster. It is non-radiating, it is convenient, it is safe and efficient, and basically what it does is that it converts light into heat, which can treat each area, and it is the most efficient device for hair reduction. I really like how convenient it is and I think it's a super great idea and investment. I also want to say that I do have a code for you guys, and I'll say it now in the beginning of the video just so you guys don't forget it. If you guys want to use my code FR1, you can get $50 off on your IPL handset. Save $50 with my code, originally $249 but now only $199. Kenzzi has amazing offers to make this device accessible, and they do offer part payments on their website. Go to my link below or kenzzi.com, which is KENZZI.com, which I think is a super great deal because it's not every day that you get $50 off on a online shopping item. I want to say thank you to Kenzzi for sponsoring today's video. Using Kenzzi, it's super time and cost saving. You can really get your money's worth out of it, and it's worth every penny because you can use it and it will help you not have hair for the rest of your life. And also it just cuts the time by like a significant amount, and you don't have to be like in your shower crunched up or like at a super awkward, uncomfortable salon. You can just do it in the comfort of your own home. It's super easy, super fast and convenient. It doesn't hurt at all. I was using this treatment before I came on my vacation here and I felt super confident in my skin. Overall, this device is super great. I can't say enough good things about it. It's super portable and convenient. It doesn't hurt at all, and the results actually work. I've had no problems using it so far, and I'm excited to continue using this product in the upcoming months because I just feel super soft and overall confident. I've used the device on my arms, my armpits, and my legs. As you can see here, my arms are super soft. I actually have self-tanner on, that's why I look a little bit orange. I've been loving the results and how hair-free I look. Anyways, let's continue with this video. I'm going to tell you all about the product, what it's good for, how I use it, and just go over my personal results that I've been seeing. I'm super happy and glad to be partnering with them. I'm so excited and I can't wait to jump into this video and explain to you what IPL really is. So first of all, what is IPL? I was a little bit confused when I first heard this, but it all made sense when I realized that it actually stands for intense pulsed light, which is a hair removal technology which works beneath the skin's surface by targeting melanin, the pigment in your hair follicles, and it helps to break the cycle of hair growth. Overall, the light energy will just prevent unwanted hair from reaching the surface. When you're going through the whole process and it has this like flashing light, basically what happens is the stimulation of the light has a damaging effect on the root, and after a few treatment sessions, it will actually inhibit the root from even producing new hairs. Then after doing it periodically and just, you know, maintaining it, it can make you essentially hair-free from your upper lip and down. You will have a smooth skin, worry-free, don't have to worry about the whole shaving process. Not only does it work with hair removal, but some other product features that it has is that it can assist with quickly destroying acne bacteria, which minimizes acne breakouts. It also has shown to break down pigments and dark spots, which is super important to me because I actually have a lot of sun damage on my face. It also helps to smooth wrinkles and improve your skin's elasticity. It also enhances the regeneration of skin cells. I have their little manual here, and it also says that it seeks to enhance the regeneration ability and permeability of skin cells. And of course, all that being said, it's super simple and small and super portable, and it's so cute. I mean, I'm in LA right now and it was so easy for me to bring just because of its size and conveniency. So first of all, I want to talk about why I started even bothering using Kenzzi, and that is because I freaking hate shaving. I feel like most girls can relate on this with me, but it is just so time consuming. I'm like in the shower in a freaking pretzel trying to shave my legs. Half the time I get cut. Razors are expensive. It's just such a hassle to do, and I forget to do it half the time, and then I'll be wearing like shorts and I'll look down and I'm like, oh my god, I haven't even shaved yet. Also, it's just time consuming. I feel like I could be using that time elsewhere, and it just grows back every time. Like I always think to myself, like, is this just what I'm supposed to be doing for the rest of my life? Like I don't understand. So anyways, I've been trying to look for a way to just like remove it, and I tried so many products like cream with like hair removal, but I've also tried doing like waxing, and it's just such a pain to like melt the beads, do the whole thing. It's also super painful. I've even tried like wax strips, and I just had to buy so many of them and they didn't even end up working, and I just had like so much like little papers and wax wasted. Also, I have so many scars on my legs from shaving, so like the razors also not the best option, and they're kind of expensive and they're kind of like a waste of plastic, I feel like, because they're just like disposable. Also, plucking and like like face razoring or like any kind of epilating is just really not that efficient, and it can peel your skin off or cause nicks and just in general cause soreness. So I've looked through the prices of like salons and stuff, and it can be up to like $390 per session, and it can take up to like 6 treatments to actually see results, which is why switching to the Kenzzi IPL handset will save you a lot of money. And so I was super excited to try a IPL hair removal treatment. Using Kenzzi, it's super time and cost saving. You can really get your money's worth out of it, and it's worth every penny because you can use it and it will help you not have hair for the rest of your life. And also it just cuts the time by like a significant amount, and you don't have to be like in your shower crunched up or like at a super awkward, uncomfortable salon. You can just do it in the comfort of your own home. I just feel like it's so much easier, and yeah, especially if you're like an introverted person. I feel like going and getting hair removal, it's just a lot of interactions you probably don't want to have, and like appointments, and I'm just so forgetful. I'm so bad at like doing appointments and stuff, especially if you're a busy person. What I have is the Kenzzi multifunctional IPL handset, and it actually has different wavelengths that target various skin conditions that help reduce acne, hair removal, or age spots, and just in general skin rejuvenation. It delivers quick and long-term results, and results can be as fast as 2 to 3 weeks, and full results are after 12 weeks, which can sound like a lot in the moment, but if you're really looking at it, like it's just actually like 3 months and then you're done. You don't have to worry about shaving or all that kind of time-consuming things. So again, I'm just gonna reiterate that results can be seen as fast as 2 to 3 weeks, which includes reduced hair growth, hair growing back a lot thinner, hair regrowth slowing down, and hair growing back just patchier. Full results, 12 weeks. We love to hear it. This is the box that I received. It's super sleek and nice, and basically you open it up. Coming out of there, we've got the IPL handset. It's super sleek and ergonomic and easy to use with 10 years of flashes. There's also a quick start instructional manual, which I definitely needed because I think I have issues following instructions. So I'm like, having this little thing here, perfect for me. There is also a 9-foot long cord, which I currently have plugged into the wall, which is 9 feet, 3 meters to be exact, which means that your IPL handset will never run out of battery. Also on the back of the box and the manual, they do have a skin tone safety chart, which lets you see what kind of level that you should go on depending on what kind of skin tone you have. And there's also a 12-month warranty, 90-day money-back guarantee. And also it's super great because Kenzzi does have a lot of amazing offers that makes this product super accessible. And they do offer part-time payments on their website, which I think is a great investment and idea. Also with the 90-day money-back guarantee, you can really ensure that, you can try it. If you like it, great. If you don't like it, you can get it all back. There's no harm in trying it. Now again, go to kenzzi.com. The link will be in my description. It is Kenzzi, KENZZI.com. And remember to use my code FR1 to get $50 off when you go and purchase your device. Now I'm going to go on to how I use the Kenzzi IPL handset. First thing I do is I plug my set into the charger. It's super easy to plug in, and then on the back there is going to be a green light. You can see that right here. I'm gonna press that. And you can see immediately it's already turned on. There's like a little blue light here and red. You can just see that there. And basically what you do is you press the green button on the back to increase or decrease the IPL intensity. Looking on the skin chart, I'm definitely like the first or second skin tone, which is like a light fair, and that is 1 to 5 levels. That's what it says that I can go to. So I generally like trying the first one, and then I just go up one by one just to kind of see how I'm feeling depending on the day or depending on the spot. So that is how you do it. It's super easy. You can just hold down the big button and glide along, and it just does it for you. It doesn't hurt at all. I just went at setting 3 because I felt like that was the best setting for me and my skin sensitivity, but it's super easy, super fast and convenient. I was using this treatment before I came on my vacation here, and I felt super confident in my skin. I'm excited to continue to use it because, as you guys know, self-care is just a big portion of the content that I make in my YouTube videos, so I'm excited to continue to use it throughout the next upcoming weeks and continue my, I guess, like hair reduction journey. If you guys try the Kenzzi multi-purpose IPL handset, please let me know. Please comment your results or any questions you have or your thoughts on it. I'm really curious about hearing it, and I will be in the comments answering to everybody. Again, I just wanted to reiterate before I finish off this video, if you guys want to save on this device yourself, you guys can use my code FR1 1 to get $50 off your purchase on Kenzzi. I love you guys. Thank you for sticking with me. If you made it to this point in the video, subscribe. And again, all links will be in the description box. Thank you again to Kenzzi for sponsoring this video. I'll talk to you guys later.